So now let's see how we can work around with the pinch filter. So to do that, I'm going to go around under filter, and then I'm going to go around onto distort, and let me just go around onto pinch right here. So once I go around onto pinch, you can see that it can change around the amount of pinch right here, just like this. And you can see that you can make it small right here. That is the center location right here. You can make it small, or you can go ahead and make it large as well, just like this. You can also go around and type in, let's say, for example, 200% right here, and it pinches further than the amount that you see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the pinch tool. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto filter, onto distort right here, and then work around with polar coordinates right here, just like this, to go around and then repeat the content out right here. So you can also go around and go for polar to rectangular right here, or reactive polar right here, just like this, to go around and then repeat it out, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with pinch and polar coordinates inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.